So Batman, where do I fit in with the family? You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. So, hopefully, if you have a cat, you consider them as part of the family. But how do cats look at it? Well, first of all, cats are very territorial. They do view their owners as their own as it relates to their territory. But that's the same way they view the couch. So we just here chilling, doing some family time today. See what we can get into. Bruh, man. Yeah, that's what I thought. You must have heard Batman's footsteps. You in his box when his back is turned. He gonna get you. Robin, you don't know what you want to do. You complain about him. Then you sit there and want him to come play with you. Then when he play with you, you act like you don't want to be bothered. I tell you gonna play with him, bro, man? I know he sends mixed signals, don't he? He real fickle, whatever that word is. You hunting somebody? Robin, what are you doing, man? Did somebody shoot you? See what I'm saying? The minute somebody messes with you, man, you want to run. Now, Robin, I don't want to hear it when he jump on you. You always whining. And then you play right into it as soon as he jump on you. Then you want to run, act like something wrong. See? Stop teasing him then. Cats don't view us the way that dogs do. Dogs view themselves as different than humans. Typically, when dogs are in the presence of humans, they will change their behavior. How dogs play with humans is even different than how they play amongst themselves. Cats, on the other hand, they look at us as big, dumb cats. They look at us as their broken down mom cats, if you will. So before I even get a chance to make myself something to eat in the morning, I gotta feed the three rascals. Is it the three rascals or three stooges? Three stooges. But they get their food. And so they have their own specialized bowls. Actually, this is left over from last night. They didn't finish. So anyway, these bowls are nice. You see how they sit on a tilt? I learned that, the cats, it's better for them to eat with their food up on a level. It's better for their digestion. So I picked these up. They was reasonable. Robin would throw up. Cat. You know how cats throw up sometimes, but Robin would throw up like once or twice a week. And I started hearing how that wasn't really normal. So I heard about this, that it helps with their digestion, and it's kind of worked. So if you don't know about these, you go on Amazon, they got all kind of different ones, but that's been a great little trick. The things you do for your family, right? But gotta love them, gotta make sure they straight. So what's going on with the Batman today? Huh? You waiting on the facts? So y'all don't talk about me with my cassettes. I got some valuable information on these cassettes. Batman, do you give somebody the fax number? Robin, you on camera? You sure you want to go? Okay, that's a good idea. You don't want to be in the public eye using the bathroom. That's not a good look. Oh, Robin is back at it again. Robin, I'm gonna put this out there. Robin, I guess he don't care. When you gotta go, you gotta go, I guess. Robin, I hope you doing number one and not number two. Because we trying to film in here. Don't blow everybody out of here. That would be very rude. Robin, don't try to hide now. Robin did number two and then blown everybody out of the room. Now he embarrassed. Don't get him, bro, man. Everybody gotta go. You could have used the other litter box, Robin. Bruh, man, leave him alone. He's embarrassed. But he had to go. That's what I told him. Batman, that's what I said. Well, you gonna leave? I'm leaving. I can't take it no more. Come on, Batman, I'm getting out of here. Your cat feels sorry for you. The big, helpless, clumsy cat that can't jump. In their eyes, you are missing all of your fur. You never clean yourself. You are always making so much noise. And you don't even understand body language. Where do you put your waist? And oh yeah, where is your tail? I'm sure that you can see now that your cat is doing you a favor by even letting you hang around. So, bro, man, do you like this new tunnel better than the old one? You know how the old one was just straightforward. This got 3 different angles you can go in. You like it better? I guess that answered that question. He likes roughhousing, if y'all don't know by now. He's a roughhouser. He's like that with everybody, including me. He gets on everybody's nerves, but we love him. He's part of the family. So Robin, you going back to being a witness now? Everybody else is playing with the tunnel. Are you going to play with the tunnel? We'll let you know when it's your turn. Okay? Come on, Batman. Let's see you go. Do it, baby. Do it. Do it, Batman. Are you going in? Alright. Batman gotta investigate it for the 1,000th time. He just done been on the thing or in the thing 1,000 times. Or is it 2,000? Is it 1,000 or 2,000, Batman? Which one is it? Bruh, man, what happened to Robin? Robin, you coming to get your turn? Come on, Robin. Come on, Robin. Hey, Robin. Robin. Hey, treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Fam.